such a long time, and every time you're denied. With all the crafting recipes you've tried, I'm sure it's ingots with some leather hides. But now the wiki page is loading slow. It could be wood or mossy cobblestone. What's the recipe? I just don't know. I'm all alone, asking, how do I craft this again? How do I craft this again? How do I craft this again? I'm all alone. How do I craft this again? Trying to guess how to make an anvil. So one in town and I've got a bag full of different ores I collected down in the mine. Am I just wasting my time? Then to my uttermost surprise, I can quite believe my pixel eyes. I found it after 7,000 tries. Well, that's a recipe I didn't know. I need some friends on here that I can show. I worked that one out all on my own. I'm all alone, learning. How do I craft this again? How do I craft this again? How do I craft this again? I'm all alone. How do I craft this again? Now I'm a pro, you can come to me anytime about new carpets and dyes or baking new pumpkin pies. Fireworks for lighting up the skies, trip while we're catching evil spies.